Yo, Bishop and the Taylor.
Why do I have to be the one who always makes a stand? Yeah.
Bishop and the Taylor.
Tired of being a fighting machine, let me enjoy life. Living and feeling free. I wonder what the world would be like. How would I live my life if you were colorblind? Answering without thinking twice. Why can't you be colorblind? I am exhausted from running more miles, climbing higher only to have further to fall. I won't conform to who you think black should be true. I just don't understand. I wonder what the world would be like. How would I live my life if you were colorblind? Answering without thinking twice. Why can't you be colorblind? Why can't you be colorblind? What goes on in your mind? We're all just trying to live our life colorblind. Why not be colorblind? How would the world would be like? How would I live my life if you were colorblind? Answering without thinking twice. Why can't you be colorblind? I wonder what the world would be like. How would I live my life if you were colorblind? Answering without thinking twice. Why can't you be colorblind? Why can't you be colorblind? What goes on in your mind? What you're shining the fire? I wonder what would be. I wonder what the world would be like if I could live in a world that is colorblind. I'm the one the world would be like. Life. I wonder, what would it be like? Yeah, I wonder what my life would be like. For real. Living in a world that's colorblind. What would be like?